If you're thinking about buying Bestvibe, you're probably wondering whether it's truly worth your investment, especially with so many similar options out there. Well, in this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before pulling the trigger so you can make a fully informed decision. Stick around till the end because I'll be revealing a special offer you won't want to miss. First off, let's talk about user experience. Bestvibe has a sleek, intuitive interface that stands out from many of its competitors. Unlike others, it's designed with ease of use in mind, so you can start getting results right away without having to wade through a complex learning curve. And trust me, after testing out a handful of similar products, I can tell you that Bestvibe is one of the most straightforward platforms to navigate. Next thing, if you've looked at alternatives, you'll know that pricing can vary quite a bit. Bestvibe offers a more flexible payment plan, which means you can scale according to your needs without being locked into high monthly fees. Compared to others, this is a major advantage, because you won't have to worry about overpaying for features you might not even need. Plus, I'll show you exactly how you can get a free trial in just a moment. The third thing to consider is its customization options. Many of the competitors offer a one-size-fits-all solution, which can be frustrating if you're looking for something tailored to your preferences. Bestvibe, however, allows for a higher degree of customization, whether it's adjusting settings or choosing from a variety of themes and layouts. This flexibility makes it a great option for people who want a solution that fits their exact needs, instead of having to settle for a rigid setup. Moving on, let's talk about integrations. Bestvibe seamlessly integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, which is something you won't find with all platforms in this space. If you're already using other tools in your workflow, you won't have to worry about disruptions or compatibility issues. In fact, its integrations are some of the best in the industry, making it a true powerhouse for anyone who values smooth interoperability. The fifth thing you need to know is customer support. We all know how frustrating it can be when you hit a roadblock and there's no one to help. Bestvibe excels in this department with 24/7 support, and they're always ready to assist you with any issues. Whether you prefer chatting with someone live or exploring their extensive knowledge base, you'll never feel stuck. Next, the platform security is top-notch. With data breaches becoming more common these days, you want to be sure that your information is in safe hands. Bestvibe implements industry-standard encryption and offers regular security updates, which gives you peace of mind knowing your data is well protected. Finally, if you're thinking about jumping on board, let me remind you that Bestvibe isn't just another product on the market. It's designed to offer both value and flexibility, with a track record of customer satisfaction. Compared to its competitors, it offers a much smoother, more enjoyable experience, which is why it's been gaining so much positive feedback. And here's where it gets exciting. If you want to try out Bestvibe for yourself, all you need to do is click the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive access to the best free trial they offer, giving you a risk-free opportunity to test out the features. Don't miss out on this. Trust me, you won't regret it.